Today I will discuss the variation of molar conductance with concentration for weak and strong electrolyte. It is explained by Debye-Huckel-Onsager equation, which is lambda mc equal to lambda m naught minus b square root c, where lambda mc is molar conductance at any concentration, lambda m naught molar conductance at infinite dilution, which is also called limiting molar conductivity. B is a constant depending upon the nature of electrolyte, and square root c equal to concentration. When we graph plotted between molar conductance and concentration for weak and strong electrolyte, both cases the molar conductance are decreases. It is clear by following graph. This is a strong electrolyte. When we increase the concentration, the molar conductance decreases. In case of a strong weak electrolyte, this is a weak electrolyte, molar conductance is also decreases. But we observe that in case of a strong electrolyte with increase of concentration, the change in molar conductance is very small, because the strong electrolyte is completely ionized at all concentration. So when we increase the concentration or decrease the concentration, the number of ions not change very large. So the molar conductance change is also very small. In case of weak electrolyte, they are already incompletely ionized, they are already contain very less number of ions. So when we increase the concentration, due to increase of interionic attraction, the number of ions are very less, so the molar conductance change in large extent. It is clear in this graph. When we extrapolated the graph for strong electrolyte, we get the molar conductance at zero concentration or infinite dilution for strong electrolyte. But in case of weak electrolyte, if we extrapolated this graph, we cannot observe or found the molar conductance at zero concentration or infinite dilution. This is need the next law, that is Colrush law, which is useful for weak electrolyte molar conductance calculation in case of infinite dilution or limiting molar conductivity, because graphically we cannot measure the molar conductance at infinite dilution for weak electrolyte. It is clear? Thank you very much.